Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the home of the 5-minute or less video. I try to give you all the information you need to make an informative and educational decision. The only promotion I do is we are available for representation and consultations. Today I want to, oh, by the way, I've worked about, I don't know, 10,000 cases. I've been doing this since 1993. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution. I know everything there is to know about the IRS. Being a teaching instructor, I know all the back end details, all the secrets, and everything that people really need to know. It only makes sense when you've been doing this for 50 years, you know what the hell you're doing. Today I want to talk to you about the offer and compromise. A former IRS agent, I taught the offer and compromise program. Revenue officers or staff who were at a high enough level had to be trained when to accept and deny offers and compromise. So I did that for IRS. God knows how many cases I looked at and reviewed. I also accepted offers and denied offers. So anything that I tell you pretty much is going to be the gospel according to the offer and compromise. I want to talk to you today about who to hire for an offer and compromise. Bar none, and I'm not doing this, this is not a self-promotional video. This should only make sense to you. You should hire a former IRS agent who knows what the hell they're doing. Basically, people who have not worked for IRS submit offers and compromise, and they learn by IRS responding back and forth, back and forth. They try to make adjustments to that and use you as a guinea pig to go ahead and have your offer and compromise accepted. They learn by getting an offer rejected. That's really not how you do it. Whether it's me or somebody else, you'll want to get someone who worked in the collection division of IRS and who have worked offers and compromise to get you the lowest settlement. Why? We know all the internal documentation that's required. It's not so much about just settling your case, it's settling for the lowest amount. When I get a financial statement in, when someone sends it to me and I start to process the offers, there's many adjustments I make to that form, and then I file it at a certain time when I think it's more ripe to get the lowest settlement. A lot of people can get offers accepted, but man, it ain't the lowest settlement you can. Offers about timing, it's about documentation, it's about knowing the system, it's about how the revenue officer has to write up the case to get it approved, and you always put a cover letter on an offer and compromise. Nobody does that, but that's what you want to do to paint the picture of what you're really going through. So if you want to get the lowest possible settlement, at least talk to people who've processed these for the Internal Revenue Service. Hiring these big companies and other people who haven't worked for IRS, they're practicing at it. The people who worked at IRS actually are working the cases and understand every minute decision that must be made to get your offer and compromise accepted. There's a lot of work to get offers and compromise accepted. It's kind of surgical precision on your 433A OIC. But like I said, there's a way to get the lowest possible settlement, and nobody knows that unless you work there, because you really know all the tricks, honestly. Anyway, at the end of the day, two little tips. Make sure you're current on all your tax 1040 filings and you're current on your estimate or withholding. IRS will reject the offer immediately, just so you know, if you're not current or your 1040s are not up to date. You can also do offers and compromises on business. So remember, picking the right person is very important. You may have former IRS agents that you know. Let them go ahead and process it. You're welcome to give us a call. But know the truth. Just don't give your offer and spend your money on people, most of them who are salespeople, trying to get money from you. And that's unfortunately what this business has become. Thank you.